Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. Let me show you this beautiful collection of beads perfect for all your beaded jewelry designs. From fabulous findings to sparkling crystals, seed beads, and so much more. You can always count on Eureka crystal beads to bring you such a highly curated collection. I will leave my affiliate link in the video description so you can grab yours before they're all gone. I'm excited to share with you Eureka Crystal Beads' latest collection. It's one of the light collections, spelled L-I-T-E. That just means that it's a little bit smaller than some of their other collections. Even though it's small, there's really so much stuff in these that I'm not sure if light adequately explains what this is. So let's open it up and you can see what I'm talking about. This collection, it's not a subscription. It's just something that if you like these beads that you can order because they're so well curated and beautiful. So this feels like an experience right off the bat. I'm going to be opening it up so we can check it out. And look at this beautiful inspiration card for the Bubblescence bead collection. I'm always amazed at how neatly they put everything in this little package. You get all the beads and bindings usually. We'll pull out the inspiration card here. That's the picture. It usually gives you a nice color theme that's going to be in the package. And then there's one more important part to this. You have your inspiration. Plus, in this paper is your collection with all the products listed out. They each have a number in one column. This time you have a total of 18 different items, a list of the items with their color names. And then over here, if you want to go on their website, they give you the SKU number. So you can also reorder the items that you really like. Like I said, they get this in here so neatly. I'm almost ashamed to take it out. This collection has a lot of plastic envelopes with the different products inside. What I like to do is take a beading tray, some of these little jars, and then I'm going to open everything up so you can see it up close and get it organized. The first two items are seed beads. Let's open this up and look at it closer. This is a beautiful mix of different Miyuki seed beads. This is great, especially if you're into bead weaving. You have a different assortment of colors and sizes to work with for projects. And it's a very large 20-gram bag. This is such a fun mix of seed beads. Here we have a tube of seed beads. Let's open these up and look at them really close. So these Toho Treasure size 11 seed beads are actually cylinder in shape, pretty comparable to a Miyuki Delica. And I really love this silver lined luster gray. They're very pretty and quite sparkly. I'm excited for these beautiful Czech glass beads that are included. There's this really sweet 3mm Druck bead. These are a beautiful Rosaline AB. So cute. There's a magical strand of 6mm fire polish beads. Some large 8mm Drucks and this crystal AB. So there's a total of 10 right here. And oh my gosh, look at the finish on these wave beads. To me, they always have a little bit of an S shape. They're a tropical blue grape. And let's open up this tube of Super Duos. I've never seen this color of Super Duo before. I really like this metallic look to them. They're a jet full apricot. Now we're going to be looking at some beautiful Krakowski crystals. These are Eureka Crystal Bead exclusive. So let's check out these first ones. This is a light sapphire AB glitter. Turning it on its side, you can see the deep point on these 8mm Chatons. You get 2 of them in this color. And we have 2 more of these 8mm Chatons. These are in a light rose AB glitter. Another beautiful color and finish. And again, we have more of the 8mm Chatons, this time in an aquamarine AB glitter. And plus 2 more 8mm Chatons. Again, they all have a nice deep point on the back. And this is lavender AB glitter. Move over, Crystal AB. We have a new beautiful finish here in town. This is 12mm and 16mm crystal Rivolis, and the color is aquamarine transmission. It just depends on how the light catches it, but look how amazing these are. One more time, let's look at them. How pretty. And a welcome addition to the collection are these 3mm by 2mm Chinese crystals. That's a blue iris mix. That's a large strand. And here you can see all those crystals together off the strand. And look at this, there are 40 of these beautiful 4mm Preciosa crystal bicones. This is the Crystal AB finish. Look at the sparkle on them. There's 3 sets of findings in this collection, all by Gleamcraft. This is the toggle clasp, and it's in a white gold plated finish. What a pretty set. And there's a pair of side-facing bulb post earring findings. Like I said, all the findings are by Gleamcraft. This is their white gold finish. How pretty is this connector? If you have stayed until the end of this video, I do need to let you know that if you like this collection and are thinking about getting it, they release these in a limited quantity. So if you want to come back in 6 months or a year from now, they don't have it anymore. I love this Bubblescence light collection from Eureka Crystal Beads. If it's something that you're interested in, go ahead and order it today. You'll be happy to have these. From the classic colors to fun pops, there's going to be something to work into all your needs. I really think this whole mix of beads and findings are perfect for any time of the year. I don't know if it's just the colors or these unique crystals, the beautiful white gold findings. There's something about it that I think is going to make beautiful jewelry, and I can't wait to get started on some projects. Until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day.